After Tattadu, 8 steps we learn. We go to the Natadu. Here the legs will be kept on the heel. It can be Sama Anchita. Like if you keep the leg in the front on your heel, that is called as Sama Anchita Pada. If you keep it to the side, it is called as Pashva Anchita Pada. And if you keep it to the angle, it is called as Trasya Anchita Pada. So these are the different postures we use. And in Natadu also we have 8 different types of adabus. And usually all the adabus will be performed in 3 speeds. First speed, second speed and third speed. So we will be starting with the first Natadu. Sit in Armati and hold the hands in the Natyaranga posture with the Tripataka Hasta facing down, that is called as Adho Mukha. We'll start with the first Natadu. Here we did only once, like Natadu on your right side as well as the left side. The second Natadu will be done twice on the right side followed by left side. We'll have the second one now. The third Natadu, it has the combination of Natadu as well as Kattadu, because first two will be doing like a first Natadu, then afterwards we are taking the legs back of the front leg and doing the Kattadu also followed by Natadu. So we'll have the third Natadu now. The fourth Natadu has the third Adu done twice, like right twice, left twice, and going the Kattadu twice and followed by right twice. So we'll have the fourth Natadu now. Now we go still more difficult steps in Natadavu. That is the fifth one, sixth one, seventh and eighth. In fifth one, we'll be using the Katakamuka as well as the Alapadma Hastas. And we have the Sama Trasya, that is Sama Anjanapada. So we'll have the fifth Natadavu. Then Mutta Kati, Yung Sa, Yung Sa, Yung Sa, Yung Sa, Yung Sa, Yung Sa, 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 Di, Na, So, Say, Sa, Say, Sa, Say, Sa, Say, Sa, as you see that in Tantadavu we had only Sama Drishti, like our Drishti was constant looking straight, but here depending on the hastas, if it goes sides we'll be seeing side, and if it goes down we'll be seeing down. So yato hastas tato drishti, yato drishti sato manaha, yato mana sato bhavaha, yato bhavaha sato rasaha. So wherever your hand goes, your drishti should follow. Wherever your drishti goes, there your mind should go, and wherever your mind follows, your expression should come. So that's how it's the procedure here. So you have to see the proper eye movements and expression will be there. So and proper bending, you have to keep your body straight without bending further, and you should not make a hunch back. And all the legs will be straight, kept straight, and also your alimony should be proper. So these are all the Anga Shuddhas which we have to follow when we are dancing. Now we'll go for the sixth one. Here once again we'll be doing the Tripataka Hasta. Now we'll be going with the seventh one, seventh Natadu. Here the Stanakas like Alida as well as Prengana and Garuda Mandala, all these things will come, and it also uses Alapadma Hasta and Katakamuka Hasta. Then both the legs, when you turn side, it should be in the same level, same line, uniformity should be maintained, and you have to bend properly on your right side. When you're doing the right side, the knee should be bent properly. So all these minor corrections you have to maintain when you're doing the adus. Now we'll go for the toughest of the Natadu, that is the 8th one. Here we can see that Aramandi is also there. Aramandi, Samapada as well as Monmandi. All the 3 Sthanakas will be used in this. So we'll go for the 8th one now. Then so these are the 8 Natadus which we practice after the Tattadu.
ನಾಟಡುವು ಆದಿತಾಳ ತಳಂಗು ತಕ್ಕದಿಗು ತಕ್ಕತದಿಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತೈ ಯುಂ ತತ್ ತತ್ ತೈ ಯುಂ ತಾಂ ತೈ ಯುಂ ತತ್ ತತ್ ತತ್ತಿಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತೈ ಯುಂ ತತ್ ತತ್ ತೈ ಯುಂ ತಾಂ ತೈ ಯುಂ ತತ್ ತತ್ ತೈ ಯುಂ ತಾಂ தையும் தத்த தையும் தாம் தக்க தத்தி கிண்ண தோம் தையும் தத்த தையும் தாம் தையும் தத்த தையும் தாம் தையும் தத்த தையும் தாம் தக்க தத்தி கிண்ண தோம்.